Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're at Douglas Dam in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And there's double-crested cormorants right behind us. I think we just went under. See, it's out there. It's got a fish in its mouth. The double-crested cormorant is a species of bird that can often be found on coastlines, lakes, and rivers. They are black with white crests on their head and orange around their beaks and face. Okay guys, so on this sign over here that says dangerous water is an osprey. They're a fish-eating species of raptor that are really good at catching fish. Okay guys, so on the other side of the river, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a big flock of black vultures. Black vultures are a species of raptor that does not hunt their food, but scavenges for it. They eat dead animals and help clean up the ecosystem and are able to eat food that most animals can't. Okay guys, so up here, standing on that white box with all those black vultures is a great blue heron. The great blue heron is a tall species of wading bird native to North, Central, and South America. It can commonly be found along rivers, lakes, and coastlines hunting fish. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. We saw a lot of cool birds at Douglas Dam in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And we'll see you next time on Harrison's Backyard Birding.